In fact, today, I make sure I don't come back from my work trip with rotting produce. I'm also making some spring rolls in the air fryer that my sister made for me. So, I feel like I'm a little too greedy, but I'm really hungry and it's been a really long week. So I got these actually like a week ago. I made hot pot. These are called crown daisies. They have a very unique taste to it, but I really like it when it soaks up all the broth. I also have some enoki mushrooms. I'm just gonna use up. And the broth actually smells really good with the crown daisy and the fish balls. I'm gonna use this to cook the noodles in. I want to take this out, but I want to save the water. I have these thick cut noodles. So while I let the noodles cook, I'm gonna I'm gonna do the sauce. So a little bit of soy sauce, white pepper, some sugar, chicken powder, chili oil, of course. Chili oil. Oh god. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Is this ready? Okay, let's get the fish balls out. Pour some of the liquid in. little bit more soup. That's not bad for something super, super lazy. Oh, so hungry I haven't even taken off my apron. Let's try the soup first. Yep. Look at these thick noodles. That's good texture. I think it's just a good substitute for udon if you're tired of udon. Veggies also don't taste like they're expired yet. And then I got some Worcestershire sauce and some of the spring rolls that my sister made. Hot. Well, there's good flavor in there, actually. Good job. This is good. No. Well, I guess this is a good lazy way to just get rid of produce. And I have to use it all because in a couple of days I'm going away for a work trip for about a week. Every time I go on a work trip, I always have to mentally prepare myself for salad and potatoes and bread all week. It's really rare that I actually get to eat food I want to eat. And it's usually, like Chinese food, Japanese food, Korean food, etc. So I know that I'm not going to love the food on offer. But, that said, it just kind of gives me more excuse, like in the days leading up to these trips to just go eat as much Asian food as I can. And then the entire week on these business trips is me kind of spending time already planning on what I'm going to eat when I get back home. Also, I've noticed that every time I go on these kind of extended work trips, I'm pretty much spend the entire time thinking about like the Asian food that I'm going to eat or I'm craving the moment I land back home. Just, I can't, I can't eat kind of Western food for that many days in a row. It's giving me like memories of when I lived abroad and when I lived in Denmark, I remember eating potatoes every day for literally like 3 months straight, every night. And I came back, and for a full calendar year after, I didn't have potatoes at all. Like mashed, boiled, baked, French fries, nothing. And I love French fries, especially the ones at McDonald's. But like I couldn't even do that for a year. It was just too much potato. So these trips was just me knowing that I'm gonna have to eat a certain type of food just because of kind of what's catered and things like that. What's more, I guess, acceptable to the to the people at work. I'm just like craving Asian food.